Why you should eat chia seed every day and how to use. The chia seeds exist for millennia, but many of you haven't heard about it yet. It is first mentioned by the Aztecs, as a food used as a medicine and as a part of religious ceremonies. This seed is extremely high in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, fiber, as well as antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins. It effectively regenerates the skin, burns fat, helps digestion, and strengthens the body. Nutritionists recommend its consumption in the case of a weak body and low energy levels, and it is commonly used by athletes. The chia seed also has 37% nutritional fibers that boost the work of intestines, so diets based on these seeds are perfect colon cancer prevention. We give you several good reasons to consume chia seed daily. It is gluten-free. This seed can replace eggs, and all you need to do is to mix them with water to create a gel and add them to recipes. It treats digestive issues due to the high concentration of fiber. It is one of the best foods for the brain and heart health, due to its 20% of omega-3 fatty acids, a content which is even 8 times more omega-3 fatty acids than salmon. Contains 20% protein. Supports the health of the nails, hair, and skin. They contain 3 times more iron than spinach. It is an extremely potent antioxidant and has 4 times more antioxidants than blueberries. Contains 7 times more vitamin C than oranges. It is great for diabetics, as it regulates the glucose levels in the blood. Contains 8 types of amino acids. Contains 5 times more calcium than milk. They contain twice more potassium than bananas. According to experts, you should take about 1 tablespoon of chia seeds daily. Since these seeds are extremely high in fiber, make sure you drink lots of water. They have pleasant and mild taste, so you can blend them into your smoothies, or you can add them to salads. You can also add the chia seeds to the dough for muffins and bread. You should soak the seeds in some water for 15 minutes, and they will grow in size, even 20 times bigger than their original size. Therefore, these seeds will keep you full for long. You can also mix it with pineapples, almonds, or coconut oil, and prepare a delicious treat. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.